Hello my dear friends, here is Zaman Khan from my tech channel. So as you know that this type of small fans are not costly but cheap. But this type of fans do not have any controller, electric controller. So the speed of the fan is much higher. You can actually hear the sound of the fan without any controller. We can fit a controller using uh, old or a rejected regulator. You can see here I have fitted it using the wire and some clips and a old regulator. It's of Legrand company, but the company doesn't varies, but the product varies. Here is the connections. I'll show you with a circuit diagram. So let's check it out first. This is the first level. The fan is low. I am changing the level up to second. Fan is some higher, changing to third, and then to the last. And you do not have to connect any switch because it itself is as a switch. In the first button, it is as a switch only. As you can see here the circuit diagram, here is the AC output, this is the fan and this is the controller. One wire will go to the AC output from the controller, second wire will go to the fan, and rest two wires will be connected together. So the current flows from here to here, and this act like a variable switch which fluctuates the current. So this was my cool idea about life hack in a fan. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you are not a subscriber. Thanks.